Saturday, March 29th. On this trail with nothing but the Smoky Mountains to look at. Oh, what happened? My tag just fell off?
I think is this yours? Or did you just hit it? Where was your tag?
On the back. What number is it?
446.
Okay, that was fun. Just lost my AT tag. It just fell off right on the ground. So we just got on trail. We're going up to the tower today. Nice little water source. Trail's nice today. The weather's fantastic. We're getting rain coming. I think it's around tomorrow afternoon and all day Monday. Pretty sure that's a good choice to go in town and clean the clothes. And all the Netherlands too. Because that's, you know, we were able to shower a couple times during these 12 days on trail. But the body needs a break. No zeros. You can feel it in your legs and your feet. Right on. A lot of the trail here in the Smokies, it's just been right along ledges. So these were all cut in. They were probably old 1920s and earlier logging roads. Cut down the trees, and the mules would be pulling the logs down here on sleds, getting it out when they were logging. Some turkey tail on the trail. Big trees too. We're going to be making our way to the tower, so we'll be there shortly, guys. Okay, so we have the AT. Goes down in that direction, but on Camera Trail with the tower goes over here. So, you know us, we're going to go this way. Like we say, we're here now. All right, guys, here we are up here at the Camera. I guess it's a fire tower. I don't know what they really used it for. It's really cool though. Look at that. Floor's a little shoddy, but what are you gonna do? Been a much worse. But we came from way out there, way past them two mountains. Where we started. Just go around the tower. My friends in the hiking NY and beyond, this looks like a fun climb right here. Look at this thing. Tell me we wouldn't have fun. Spend a half a day here just climbing in these rocks. Look at this. We're almost out of the Smokies. Whew. Believe that, March 29th. So, I'll probably just grab my poles here. Go down these steps. No railing, so don't fall off the side there, because that's a tumble down there. That ain't going, you go nowhere. You're gone. Oh, man. That's the fire tower. Really cool. All right. got the, really just a lookout tower, I guess. That's all it was. 360-degree views. So 1939. Pretty awesome. The sun just came out on us, so I guess that means it's going to get a little warm. It's already warm today and humid. So I did a video up here. It was pretty cool. Really cool up here. It's a little scrambly here. That's all right. What it's all about. Guys, oh, a little technical too. Definitely worth the side trip off the trail. If you're ever doing this part, definitely take that side trip. 0.6 miles, but what you see is amazing. So here we are, once again, along the edge. Look at that. That's the Smokies. Back to the AT. So it's about a half a mile. We're going to stop. We're going to have a snack. Enjoy this view for as long as we can enjoy it for. And take a pack break and get back on trail. This trail doesn't disappoint as we go through here. I guess this is where Robert Redford fell off and Nick Nolte when they landed on the ground. Ah, yeah. If this was like a, weekend excursion, one of them play days, we'd be climbing. We haven't really encountered too many rock scrambles yet. They're coming up. But look at that. How nice. Amazing. Everywhere we go is a new spot. Everything we see and everything we do here. Back to climbing again now. All right. Good afternoon. We made it to Davenport Shelter. All right. Here we are. It's early afternoon, but that's okay because tomorrow we have to hike out of here, out to the highway, and actually go into town. We're going to spend a zero. So tomorrow will be a Nero and another day will be a zero in town. So this is what happens when you're bad and you don't listen. The rangers put you in this cage and lock you and you can't get out. So our water source is down there. Oh, we got a nice little pipe spring. Good. Not far. We have a toilet area in this direction somewhere. Yep. We got to keep the bears out. No bear eating people. So, nice fireplace. Bunks. And we are good. So tomorrow is going to be an early day. We're going to hike out the Davenport Gap. Catch a ride into town. Newport. Get washed up, wash our clothes, get everything all clean, and come back out here April 1st to start the climb into the other side of the gap over there. So, see you guys in a bit.